Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dining chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Aingoo dining chairs, set of 4 best kitchen chairs. This chair's simple but elegant design makes it perfect for home, company, restaurant use. Waterproof and anti-aging PU leather combining with the heavy-duty steel frame fits you years of durable use. Ergonomically curved back and a soft padded seat provides more comfort for you when enjoying meals. This armless dining chair will be perfect around your table. Moving on at number 4, we have the Waldon black leather dining chairs, set of 2 best black leather dining chair. This chair is designed to give you the comfort and style you want for your home and add to that decor and style. The sturdy wood framing and quality of the same make the chairs to last. The espresso-stained legs make the chairs so charming that you cannot avoid if you are looking for style. It comes in well and excellently padded design to make them comfortable for your requirements. The overall dimensions are 22.5 dx17 w by 35.75 h. Seat height is 18 inches. At number 3, we have the Modway Gear Modern Dining Side Chair. This dining chair is made of elm wood with the natural rattan seat. The open, curved back has classic X-back details for extra support, and the legs and seat are curved in a romantic way. The gray finish gives the chair a French feel. The overall dimensions are 19.5 lx21 w by 34.5 h. This chair is available in different colors. At number 2, we have the East-West Furniture Wood Seat Dining Chair, set of 2 linen white finish. This dining chair is constructed of solid wood with the molded seat and slatted back. Front legs have just the hint of carved detail to give them interest. In soft linen white, these traditional style, clean-lined white wooden chairs are a can-not-wrong addition to any dining space. The overall dimensions are 39 inches h by 18 inches w by 18 inches d. Slatted chair back for your comfort with a wood seat. And finally at number 1, we have the HomePop Classic Accent Dining Chair, set of 2 best casual upholstered. Bring an element of your dining room with these HomePop Parsons dining chairs. This upholstered chair offers tons of potential for the customizing your space, whether you are looking for statement chair or one that will combine with your existing decor. The dark walnut finished wooden legs provide the visual contrast against light-colored upholstery and complement darker colors. The wood construction provides stability with the 250-pound weight limit. The overall dimensions are 38 inches h by 19 inches w by 23.50 d. This chair is available in more than 20 fabrics including both solid and patterned options. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.